What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. Okay, if you follow the channel, you know we have been using Pitaka cases for a little while now. This is one of our favorites on our iPhone 16 Pro Max, and they recently have announced and actually put for sale a new accessory, and that is a magnetic power bank made with this fiber material that you're familiar with if you're one of their case users. I gotta say, Qi 2 capable, 5,000 milliamp battery. With that Qi 2 wireless charging, you do get 15 watts max fast wireless speed, and I have to say, they come in an assortment of different patterns that match their phone cases. This happens to be the black one. We're in no way, shape, or form sponsored, unfortunately, by Pitaka, but if you're looking for another slim power bank option, this might be the way to go. And as you can see here, it looks very unassuming, very slim, and actually has a really nice look thanks to that fiber material that it is using. So, set that to the side for a second. That is exactly all that comes in here. You get a little bit of reading materials, nothing new or exciting. Let's just plug that to the side here. Being that this is a 5,000 milliamp power bank, you can assume to get the majority of a full charge on an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Again, just really going to depend with that power loss. The actual transfer of battery does not go one-to-one due to power loss charging wirelessly, but if you're interested in this, you can see exactly how slim this looks and how nice of a design it actually is. I will say one thing I did notice on here that I wasn't the biggest fan of right off the bat, and I'm not sure if you noticed it, but the power button isn't on the sides or bottom like it typically is on other devices. It is actually going to be down on the back of the device. And there's no button, it's just where the LED indicator is. So let me actually get the power plug for you and plug this in to show you where those LED indicators are. So you can see it's actually on the back side, which is kind of difficult to know the state of charge on here when it's actually attached to your iPhone, because obviously you can't see it. So that might not be the most ideal scenario here. However, if you are a fan of Pitaka and want to get a magnetic power bank, fast charging one at that, and you love their cases, these could be great combinations that are available now for you all to get. Again, not a big deal on the dots here, letting you know the battery indicator, but all good nonetheless. If you are running iOS 26, which everyone will be come September, this actually will allow you to see your battery rate of charge on the top here. Let me go ahead and unlock this really quick. And it'll show you up top, I'm not sure if you even caught it, it does still seem intermittent right now. 1+ hour to get to 80%. It shows you that it's not slow charging, that it is charging at its regular rate of charge that you would expect. And everyone running iOS 26 eventually will see this, but that's just letting you know that it is actually charging at Qi 2 speeds and nothing smaller than that, or slower, I should say. So yeah, very nice, very unassuming, and very lightweight, again, for a 5,000 milliamp battery. So I'll throw those affiliate links up down below if you're interested in one. You know we have reviewed a ton of power banks at this point, Anchor, Basis, and a ton of others. Let me know what you think for this Pitaka one and where it falls in to your lineup and liking. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if you pick one up and how you like it. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.